Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both apps. Make sure Google Pay is installed, your card is verified, and you're logged in. Next, open Amazon and navigate straight to payment options, then add a card. This starts the exchange. If Amazon does not show Google Pay as a payment provider, you will copy the underlying card number and expiration from Google Pay. Do this securely, with a private connection and a matching billing address, because address mismatches cause immediate declines. Now you extract the full card details from Google Pay, number, expiration, and CVV if available, or use the card's virtual number if provided. Once you enter these into Amazon, make sure the billing address matches Google Pay exactly, because banks validate that during authorization. Save the card and be ready for a small authorization hold. Amazon or the issuer may send an OTP or SMS. Once the authorization clears, the card will be usable at checkout. This step links Google Pay's underlying card to Amazon. Finish by selecting the newly added card at Amazon checkout and complete a small purchase to confirm it works. After the order, check the confirmation email and Amazon payment history to ensure authorization succeeded. If the payment is declined, make sure the billing address and postal code match Google Pay exactly, retry the authorization, and check for issuer blocks or velocity limits. If problems persist, contact your bank or card issuer to approve each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.